Y glaw yn ddibaid yma ar gau y castell. Garrett a Simmons yn cael ei hebrwng allan tuag at yr ystlys. Garrett, traed chwym a chwarae da rhwng Garrett a Simmons. Yn disgyn i Cole ar ergyd. Arbediad da gan Leeds i. A dyna gyfla gora yr hanner cyntaf yma hyd yma. Hwlffordd yn pwyso. A'r bel yn disgyn i Dylan Rhys yn torri fewn ar ei droed dde. Rhys ar ergyd, ond hwnna heibio i'r nod. Dim llawer o batrwm i'r chwarae yn y gwynt ar glaw yn yr ail hanner yma. A Simmons yn ei chanol i unwaith eto. Dylan Rhys yn mynd i'r llawr. Hwnna, wel, mae Mr Griffith wedi mynd i'w boced yn syth cerdyn coch i Jack Hindle. Wel, gweitha i anghrediniaeth dwi'n credu bod o wedi sefyll ar Dylan Rhys. Dwi'n meddwl bod o wedi creu llawer o niwed, ond mae o wedi sefyll arno fo. Y gig gornel tuag at Jenkins a'r peniad yn cael ei chlirio, ond mae yna gyfle i Abruzzese, a mae'n cael ei lorio yn y cwrt Cosby, a Mr Griffith dim amheuaeth yn pwyntio at y smotyn. Y peniad greiddiol gan Jenkins, a dwi'n credu mai Akpro oedd yn y fan ar lle i rhwystroi, ond yna Abruzzese, wel, Ben Hughes, Anthony Stevens a wedyn Harry Owen, tri chynnig i Gymro a'i lorio fo. Jordan Davies o'r smotyn, a dyna chi 5 gol y tymor i Jordan Davies. Hwlffordd ar y blaen yn erbyn 10 y Flint.
Yeah, disappointing. I think the two key moments within the game has killed us in a very low quality game. Both teams we didn't have a shot on target and they had one shot on target. The red card obviously changes our shape and how we want to go about things, and then obviously the penalty. Two key moments within the game, and they've scored the penalty, and that's all really they've done.
Much needed 3 points. Obviously been on a bad run. Confidence is low and tough place to come. Obviously the sending off has helped us with going down to 10 men, but still a great performance for the lads. I'm really pleased for them.
Yeah, really big win for us today. You know, we were confident coming up here. We think we played well against them at home. We thought we could play some good football, which we did. And then got the penalty. Could have scored another after that, I think. And yeah, just a real big win for us today, yeah.